You're unknown. Welcome to the Cook Islands.
You need a hubby. Kia ora.
Welcome to day one.
Woohoo, come and be with us. Yay. I feel like we're here. So our plans for today is we're gonna go and watch Elijah. Elijah's drumming at 10 back in the auditorium that we were at last night. But first we're gonna go to the chapel, the Airani chapel, to meet up with Lena and her dad and her grandparents, so that we could all go together. Today's another full day of being in the island paradise of Rarotonga. And I'm definitely not sick. Hey, what's your what's like the best seller? Yeah.
The lemon mint is good.
The which one? Lemon mint? Ooh, yes, can I get that please? Oh, okay, cool.
And what about which one out of the long donuts?
My favorite is the custard, but everyone's favorite is the jam. I get
Jam.
Which one? This one?
the jam is so good.
I'll just get that one, please. Yeah.
It's the $2.
Oh, $2.
Yeah. So it's probably one of the only countries that has the triangle.
Yeah, that's crazy. Look at that, the dollar, Cook Island dollar.
And then there's a $3 note.
Yeah, we got some of us got it. We got lemon mint because it was recommended by the bakery. Did you get lemon mint as well? Oh, yeah. Okay, first bite, besties. First bite, besties. This way. We always have to rate it.
I would do.
Of course. I'm gonna have this every time. You're like fighting this. Oh, let me show you guys. Hey, hey. We've got a chicken bread. Hey, hey, hey. Where's Pua? Cook Island word for today. Rika. Hi. Proper. What's the proper?
Deka.
What does it mean?
To like something.
Ooh.
But in this context, food.
The food, yeah.
Deka te kai.
Deka.
Deka te kai.
Ooh, Deka te kai. Deka te kai. Meitaki to Rarotonga Bakery. So guys, this is like Scooter Central here in Rarotonga. Look. We're gonna hire out some scooters when we're in Aitutaki. But yeah. So nice. Slay. Moi umi actually. That motherfucker. Like what am I umi? The one, this one, it's the last one to wake up. Oh yeah. Thanks, girls. Thank you. We're back here again. So the drummers are behind you, and they're late. The drums aren't here yet, so they're all just standing there wondering where the hell are they? Because they're supposed to start in like 5 minutes, and it's not here yet. Elijah, good morning. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah. You ready to drum? How long
Can't
did?
wait to get it done and everything.
Because you literally came off
Cycling.
the airport and then practice. Who are you guys waiting for?
waiting for the drums. I think we're getting there.
Right. Are we loud? Okay, thank you. Not at the front. I do. I don't. I trust these chairs. And what if it rains? Can you not?
Vaka Puaikura.
Thank you.
And you have to get the pocket over there. You take some money inside.
Oh, okay. I'll take it out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Which uncle said it? But uncle said it.
yeah.
Oh, the judge said it actually. He's a judge.
Oh, he's a judge. Yeah. Guys, we got asked by a judge to come at the front. Mama, where are you from? Oh, we're from Brisbane. Hi. Oh my gosh.
So we're all feeling our way.
Yeah. They put the Australians at the front. Brisbane too. Mama. What's your name?
We're ready. My name is Patricia Trigo. Yeah, I'm here for this.
Yeah. Are you excited for this?
I am.
Yeah. Do you have family in the performing?
Yes. Yeah, in the Meitaki.
Malaya. Ah,
That's where I'm from.
where's your What did you say?
She's like, they're right behind you.
Oh, that's his family. Then here, what are you expecting today?
Expecting drum beats today.
I'm expecting fast hands. What are you expecting today?
I'm expecting a lot of energy. I'm expecting someone to stand out.
Ooh.
Out of the So yes, I'm also a judge.
Yeah, and Sally, what are you expecting today? Good vibes?
Good to see you all here at
Exciting, but I'm expecting
Auditorium, National Auditorium,
really good drum
to witness the TANGI KAARA competition.
Yeah, I'm not going to talk so much, but yeah. I don't know, my heart's torn because like my
You know the
family's
drums of the Cook Islands? We regard that
But yeah, we're going to watch
the heartbeat of the Cook Islands. So where you go in the world and you hear those drums, you can tell the Cook Island beat. And we are here today to show you the pureness of that beat. Elijah Tuaputa. Tuaputa. Elijah Tuaputa.
Elijah!
David Tupo. Nathaniel Hunuia. Chiaiti Akawa. Manavarua. Jerome Tuakana. Tangi Atawa Tuaputa. Hokarakara mai tatou. No AKATOKAMANAVA. Hokarakara mai tatou. Ladies and gentlemen, AKATOKAMANAVA ENUA. AKATOKAMANAVA ENUA.
Proud sister over there.
Hi. Of Cook Islands percussion instruments and traditional materials, including any instruments of your choice to enhance the beats, are also allowed. Full cover, medium hard cover, and it's got every, the program for the rest of the year.
It's still good. It's still good.
Yeah, it's just tiny. I'm just telling
So tonight we have.
Oh, Uncle! Uncle, you got the wrong top on. You got the wrong top on. It's supposed to be blue, by the way.
You know the
The judge told us to come here. Go, Elijah.
Contract.
I'm making up for my post.
The man standing up is my dad's youngest brother.
Oh,
Yeah, all the participants, all the contestants of the
oh yeah.
Tangi Kaara.
Uncle, why you not in it?
No, check it way.
Why? Liar, liar, liar.
But the mayor took it. You know the
Yeah.
They bring that instrument on the floor. Anything.
Oh. Guys, you see that?
They can't.
I don't mind going.
Look, they have creative beats, so they added a drumstick.
Price giving.
Achu enua, armai. Akatokamanava. Kau kadang-kadang main datang akatokamanava. Ladies and gentlemen, AKATOKAMANAVA. Oh. Mataura de Lituari ke o Mauke. Out the Cook Islands, the Vaka Puaikura.
to come for my 68th birthday. AKATOKAMANAVA ENUA Vaka Puaikura.
Ada buat kurang angkang. Mana dia kau tak mata itu dah memang tiket mesin itu dah jadi tempat.
Oh, he's giving the birthday. Oh, he's giving it.
What do you guys think?
It was so good.
That's our village. Boy, my village.
I reckon that was the best.
For creative.
Yeah, I reckon. Surely
They always come up with something new.
They're awesome.
They were. You are, whatever the results, you're the winner in our eyes.
This is my father, James.
Oh, hey! The other one.
It's my uncle James.
They look alike.
It's my nephew, that's James' son.
Hello!
This is my son here, this girl's son.
Yesterday afternoon, yesterday night. Oh my gosh.
No one told me my shirt was unbuttoned.
I didn't see it. When you were hugging people.
It's not my family. It's my
No idea. But
The aftermath of the drum competition.
meeting everyone's family.
We call this Kaara.
Yeah.
It's not a thing, it's a full instrument. I called the village back in the old days. Yeah, it's a full. So to play it, there's a specific way of playing it.
Oh yeah.
Now they incorporate that with the drumming. So really, the purpose of this is to call the village either a call of warning or the call of unity to bring the village people together. So that's the thing. That's the cut. Yeah, it's not a part of
the drumming. Yeah. Oh,
but
okay.
nowadays they incorporate it together.
This is Uncle's family
Yeah, these are all my nephews
and brothers.
and brothers.
Yeah. Oh. Your post drumming. How are you feeling now?
glad that it's over, but
Yeah?
I enjoyed every single minute.
It was so cool. You were in the middle in the first one. The tall one. Oh. Yeah, that's crazy.
It's also the main celebration for this one. It's with our government today and our traditional leaders. So you always hear them, whether it's opening or closing up.
Guys, look at that sign. Don't be a Karen. Oh, you need a hubby. She needs a hubby.
Turn around with your hands.
We need a Johnny Lego.
House guys.
Oh, sorry. One? What's your one?
Share with Uncle.
Share with Uncle. Trendy kiwi burger. And it also has beetroot.
I'm not.
The beetroot makes it. Okay. Cheers.
Oh, that's good.
eat like tonight.
What's this? Hey, giving me your hobby.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, my bad. I'm very happy. Can I drink yours? Sorry, I couldn't. Okay, you take it. I'm so sorry. Not done.
Don't have any more. What was that? Lena? Lena, what did she want? Gosh. Yeah. Oh, hi.
Driver's taking a break.
Drivers, yeah. I haven't even driven yet, but you know.
She's camera girl.
Yeah. I'll drive back though, because I know the way. We're going straight to our house.
Yeah. I'm guessing.
Yeah. Guys, look! Oh my gosh! So fun. I love these drives.
Just finished a feed at Villis. Not the toes. It's not like times when you drive on the beach road, the beach is like
Yeah.
the beach is always moaning here.
Wow. I need to get the car keys.
I could have called you that way. Oh,
You have to go get the car.
dang it.
Damn, why did we have to be smart and responsible? Oh, no, keep going, Uncle.